today I'm going to talk about a foliage bowl. A foliage bowl is when you have a container that's just a round bowl. I have it on Lazy Susan so I can twirl it around and show it off for you. And I just use plants with really cool foliage. It's a very low maintenance color spot in the garden. And in the front here, we have this Sweet Caroline. It is a potato vine, a sweet potato vine. But it's a kind of a dwarf version, so it's less flowing out all over and more just this big, dark amplification of color. A great contrast to the coleus. Now, coleus come in all different kinds of colors, but when you're making a foliage bowl, a great design tip is to keep the more solid color, like this Sedona Sunset coleus, next to the really, really busy of these bicolored coleus with the red and the gold. And this has a real frilly leaf, just kind of busy, which gives it a great contrast next to the calmer, leaf color of the Sedona Sunset. And then I also added, over here, peeking out of this, some golden foliage. And this is the golden foliage of the Lamium Golden Anniversary. It's a perennial in my garden. It's a ground cover. I scoop it out of the yard every spring and stuff it into container gardens just to give that extra foliage jolt with the yellow. Pick up the yellow on the edges of this coleus over here. Now, another perennial that I use in the foliage bowl is over here. You can see the heuchera. And heucheras, again, are perennials. They come back year after year, and they reseed in my garden and gravel quite easily. So I'll take a very young heuchera, stuff it in the foliage bowl so we can get nice, big, and beefy, and they'll transplant it to the garden later. So now how do you maintain a foliage bowl like this? Well, the first thing I do is, it's foliage, not flowers. So anything like this, when the coleus starts to bloom, I'll just snap those off. I don't want those. Because when you remove the flowers of your coleus, you're pinching it, you're forcing it to grow outward more instead of upward, so I'm going to pinch those out. And that's about it for maintenance, and have beautiful color. But now it's October, so when it comes to the end of the season with my foliage bowl, well, I know the Lamium's going to overwinter, and I know also that the heuchera is going to overwinter. But what do I do with these beautiful coleus, because the frost is going to kill them? Well, here's my little trick. I will go in here, and I will cut off the stems, lower it down. It still looks okay. See how I am taking these off? I'm going to strip off these lower leaves here. And then, what I love to do, I just use them as beautiful house plants all winter long. Because what's going to happen? Those coleus are going to grow roots. I can pot them up, or I can just use them as beautiful foliage plants indoors and enjoy them when the frost kills back all of these coleus. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens, and I hope you can plant a foliage bowl yourself.